Hello everyone, welcome to Half Moon. Today we are going to share with you how to develop mobile app on Android. So there are two ways to develop applications on different panels. First is Android and the second is iOS. That is we all know that is Apple phones. Now here today we are going to discuss about Android phones. For Android, we are going to develop mobile app so that is available in Thunkable. So how we can do this? Let's see. Today, here we are going to show you how to develop mobile Android app. First of all, any project, whichever you have in your mind, like I was having different projects like on the maps, on the waters, on the mapping, on different news channels, on different solar panels. So there are messaging like WhatsApp. So there are many ways to do all these things. So all we can develop it on this Thunkable platform. So let's see how we can do this. Here is create new app. So once you press create new app, it will ask you the application name. We are going to put it over here, test my first app. So here we are going to just choose the name. It depends upon you what name you want to keep. It's your mapping application, it's your system calculator application, then you can put the name calculator. Whatever, it's a messaging application, you can put the name like WhatsApp or any chat name. So it depends upon you, whatever name is comfortable for you, you can keep it on that. So this is, you choose the name, type it and press OK. Once you press it OK, you will see the another screen will open. Look at here, another screen will open. You will see the mobile, Android mobile on top. That is it looks like Samsung or any other Android phone. So here, first of all, we are going to explain you about this. Now on our screen, on our left hand side, we have a palette. In our palette, we have different type of interfaces. That is user interface, in which we have different type of buttons like button, checkbox, date picker, image, label. We can just pick it up from here. We can drag it to our screen. This is our screen where we are going to do work. Now this is on our left hand side. First check it out. We have layout also. In the layout we have horizontal arrangement, horizontal scroll arrangement, table arrangement, vertical arrangement, and this is a different type of pattern again. This is a media. In media we have camcorder, camera. We can pick it up whatever according to our application we can choose. We can pick it up out of it and then we can drag it on our screen and we can use it. Some are visible components, some are non-visible components. So it depends which is suitable for application. This is drawing animation to make games. We can make games also on it. And these are sensors, accelerometer, barcode scanner, clock, gyroscope, location sensors. So we have different type of components over here available. These are social. These are storage components in which we have databases for functionalities. And this is Google Map to do the mapping, connectivity for the starter, active starters with the web linkers, artificial intelligence, Lego Mindstorm, very advanced, and experimentals. These components we are going to use more often, almost every time. So here these are the things which we are going to use. In our experimental, we have different type of components. That is a Firebase DB, that is a database, and which we are going to use many times because to store our database, we need some platform. That is a very good platform based and given by Google. This is Firebase. This is most like a real-time databases. Add more panels, add more interstitial. That is all these banners are for advertisement in your application. You can drag it from here, and these components you can attach it with a link, which in our applications we can see the advertisements. So these are the way the components we can drag and we can apply on it. Cloudinary DB. This is Cloudinary DB is basically for photograph images and videos we can store in Cloudinary database, and then again we can link it with our application. We can just pull it out. We can use however we want to use. Spreadsheet is just like Excel, and we can store our data, our figures, a lot of numbers, and we can use it, and we can use these numbers, and we can access our data from this. We can show it on our application. So this is push notification component is also very important on the daily basis when we update our application. We want to send it to our users, notification about our product, about our news, about our application updation. So we can use this push notification, and it's to multiple user also. We can send it straight away. Many millions of people they can get it with one click. So these are very useful components which we can use. This is extension at the end. Extension is like external import. We can do it external applications, so we can import it over here, or the extension we can use it in our application, which is very useful component. This we will use it at advanced stage. So first, the introduction about Thunkable is very important. It's very important about Thunkable, that how it works, how screen looks like, and what are the components available on our screen, and how we are. Is the middle screen. All the dragging of these components will happen over here, and then we are going to manipulate. We are going to design over here. We are going to do everything on our right hand side. The first is the component. Whatever components we are dragging from left hand side, it's going to appear over here with name. We can rename, we can delete, and then on our right hand side, extreme right, is properties. Whatever component we are dragging from left hand side will have the properties of it. And in properties, like about screen, this is screen 1. The name of this is screen 1. Here we can mention about screen property. In the properties, align horizontal, we can just align it left, right, center, however we want. Name of application, we can type the name which we have selected over here. Test my first app. This is the same name over here. We can change the background with a white or any other color, whichever we want. We can do it. Background image, we can select the background image also. We can select according to our choice. And then the close screen animation, however we want. Default, fade, zoom, slide horizontal, slide vertical, none. So however we want, we can do it. Icon, we can choose our icon picture, which will appear very nicely when somebody will download an application, your application, and it will appear on your phone very easily. So it's just fantastic. All these features are available over here. We can do anything, whatever we want. This is a screen orientation, unspecified portrait landscape sensors uses. So we can use it, everything practically over here. This is for scrolling. If the screen we want to scroll, we can do it from here. This is show status bar. Status bar is this one on top, and you can see it disappeared. There is nothing on top now. And if we check mark, and you will see the status bar available. Okay, so it depends upon your choice, however you want. Sizing fixed you want, responsive you want screen title name. Now how do you want it? You want test my first app. Okay, now here we are using this way. The title is changed. You can see it over here. This is all through here. And now it comes title bar color. We can change the color also. Title visibility also, if we want to. It depends upon us to what you want. You want to keep it, you keep it. You don't want. So its version code is 1.101. However you want to decide, you can decide it yourself. So this is all information all about the first screen. And let's go to This is a designer part we were discussing on. There are two parts always in any application once developers they are developing. Designer part, the front end, how it looks like to this user. And the second part is the blocks. That's the programming, that is the writing of the codes. In blocks here, Thunkable is having very beautiful feature, built-in program, built-in blocks in different ways, very easy and very useful. This is a control on our left, built-in control, and all these are blocks. We can drag it, we can pull it over on the screen, and we can do if and then statements, conditionals, everything is available over here. Only what we need to just drag it, put it over, and just code it. That's all. And here we have all different type of logics. In the logics also true, false, in everything, equal to, and, or. All statements are available over here. Conditional, and then mathematics also. If it is the zero, whatever you want, you can choose it according to your choice. You can do it in our next programs, in our next video of Half Moon. We are going to present one live project in which we are going to show you how to uh, how to prepare your project with all these blocks, how we can use these live projects. This is text, this is a list, and all these things are available over here. How to create list, delete, append, everything. And you can choose the colors also over here. These are variables. We can choose initial, global, get, set, everything is available for you. Procedures. In advance we are going to use screen one. The screen one is from the designer part which is coming, and when we are going to select component, the components will come over here. So all these things are available over here. We call these things are blocks. We call it blocks. So Thunkable given us very nice objects. Here this is a pen, we can drag and we can throw it down. So it depends how we want. We can, this is zoom in, this is zoom. You can increase it, you can decrease it, depends upon that. We show the previous version, save the empty. We don't want to do anything with that. Sorry, we don't want to do. Okay, so this is, once we put everything, then all blocks will come over here, and then we can build it up, and our application will start working. Here we have application, my application. There are some more buttons or menus on top. We can create new app. We can upload my project extension .aia from a computer. This again, upload legacy projects, upload app projects from repository, delete application. If we want to delete, we press this one, save the application, save as, checkpoint, download app project to my computer. If you want to download in AIA, that is a source file, you can download this to your computer immediately. Download all projects, then there are more buttons over here. Then again, this is the very important one, test. Once your application is ready, you can press this Thunkable live. The barcode will come over here. You can press it with your mobile phone, and again you can test it live on your mobile, this application. And there is USB connection also, the way we can test and reset the connections. Once you're connected and you're testing on your mobile, then you want to stop, you can reset the connection also. And there is another menu here, export. Once the application is ready, you want to put your APK on your phone, because on your Android phone only .apk works. So you want to download app, you want to download app.apk to my computer. So there are two ways, through QR code, also through download to your computer also. So APK will get download to your computer, then you can transfer to your mobile phone, or you can just transfer it to your QR code also. So there are many ways. So all are help. This is a help. Community and documentation tutorials, live tutorials are available. You can go to the live tutorials through these videos. You can learn a lot. So then in the language, join community, which is very helpful. So all these things. These buttons here on left we understood designer and block part. On our right part there is a screen 1. If we want to add another screen, we can press add screen and we can add another screen. When we add another screen, that is a screen 2, which will come like that. Now we can see here we have screen 1 and screen 2. This is how it works. And now if you want to remove screen 2, then we can remove the button, remove, and then I guess, okay, and it'll go off. It'll come to screen 1. Now we have only screen 1. Screen 2 is being deleted. So this is how it works and how this panel is available for our next application. So in next video, we will teach you, we will share with you our idea for the new application. We will go for the basic tutorial and then we will go for the medium and then we'll advance. But we'll explain you complete project from the beginning till end, right? Thank you very much for watching all this thing, and keep subscribing and join us on our Half Moon channel, where we share a lot of different type of things, different type of news about our communities, about social media, about developers programming and programs through Thunkable. Thank you very much.